Now it's time to consider and select what landscape degradation challenge you will work on as a team. Are you interested in reversing landscape degradation processes in southern Spain? Would you like to work on sustainable business models to prevent large-scale deforestation of rainforests in Brazil? Or are you interested in opportunities to sustainably protect wetlands in Poland? Brainstorm as a team what landscape degradation challenges you may want to focus on and share the reasons why this has sparked your interest and attention. The Atlas of Forest and Landscape Restoration Opportunities from the World Resource Institute is an excellent starting point. Next, you need to consider the feasibility of formulating a workable solution to this challenge. Here you will need to connect with the assessment of your group competencies. For instance, it may not be fruitful to focus on a geographical area that no team member has deep knowledge of, experience, or any personal contacts within. Come to a decision as a group and make it clear to everybody what you will focus upon. At this point, you may again want to consider your means available. For instance, would an extra team member with connections in that geographical area make a difference? It might also be valuable to consider adding an extra team member with specific knowledge of business or ecology. Now, create a shared vision of how you would like the selected landscape to be like in the long term. Try to keep this as a simple, short statement. Also, try to keep the shared vision realistic. Turning a desert into a rainforest is probably not attainable. Let's take the vision of one of our cases as an example. The restoration project in Iceland envisions within 30 to 50 years ecologically functional landscapes with high resilience to natural disasters and carbon offsetting while protecting biodiversity. They also envision multiple benefits from other ecosystem services such as diverse biomass production that can be sustainably utilised for various business actions. Hopefully you feel inspired by this vision for your chosen landscape degradation challenge. I will see you again in week 2 on system analysis.